Hey everybody, it's your girl Nyako, and in today's video I'll be showing you how I created this pom pom ponytail, or some people call it a bubble ponytail, as you can see here. And this is just a fun, creative look that you can have if you're going for an event or you're trying to change up your look or something. And the things that I use, I have this Cuban twist hair. It's kind of like a Marley hair, and I have it in the 24 inches, and this hair costs $6.99, and I only got one pack. You'll also need some gel. I'm using Eco Styler gel. Of course, you'll need a brush, and you'll need about 7 or 8 hair ties. So I would suggest getting a pack of them like this. This is about probably like $1.99 at your beauty supply store or Walmart or something. And the last thing you'll need, which is kind of like the biggest thing for this style, you'll need some of these balls here. These are table tennis balls, and these are very easy to find. I got these at Walmart. They cost $1.50. This is a 6-pack, and I think I only used 4 of them. Yeah. So they're really easy to find. It took me 2 seconds to find them. They're in the sporting area where they have fitness stuff and all that other stuff in Walmart. And I mean, I go to Walmart about twice a week, so you know, it was nothing for me to just go pick these up. So yeah, stay tuned if you want to see this look. Okay guys, you'll need to gel and brush your hair up into a high ponytail and put it into a ball similar to this one. My hair is kind of long, so I braided my hair and then put it into a ball like this. And again, I have 1 pack of Cuban twist hair. There was a rubber band in the middle here, but I took the rubber band out and put in a hair tie just to be more secure. Okay, so you'll take the loop of this hair, the loop of the hair tie, and you're just going to put it around the ball once. Like this. And I want my ponytail to go over to this side, so I'm going to twist this hair around to this side so I can pull it over and cover my ball. So just cover your ball with all this Cuban twist hair. And this is going to serve as the first ball of your pom-pom braid. So you're going to take one of your black hair ties and you're just going to loop this around twice. Got to get all that hair through. And just loop it around again. Alright, once it's there, I like to pull the hair tightly just to make sure it's in there and it's covered like this. Okay, so now we're going to work on the second ball. You're going to get one of your table tennis balls here, and you're going to just put it right in the middle and just cover it up with the hair. You won't be able to see it at all. This hair is really, really thick. So you're going to get another hair tie and just loop this around twice, just like this. Okay, so that's your second ball. I'm just going to get another table tennis ball, put it in the middle, and cover it up. This is just a really easy style to do. It's not difficult at all. Just repeating this step for a while. Alright, make sure I've got this hair together. There we go. Pull that a bit. Okay. And just repeat that step until you get to the end. You also have the option to use regular braiding hair, but I just like the thickness and the look of this Cuban twist hair. Makes it look more natural. It matches my natural hair better. And it helps with creating the ball too. Alright, so I just have one more to go. And I'm just going to put it in there like that. And just go ahead and wrap that hair tie around it. Alright, so you wrap that around twice. Now, for the end, you could just leave it like this and just let it hang. But I wanted a neater look to it. So all I did was just kind of tucked it, like tucked it in like this, just to make like a mini ball. And I took one of my loops and just pulled it under like that. And there you go. You have your pom pom ponytail, or your bubble ponytail. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And thanks for watching.